dog is like running up there. I think it's from that house because it has a small like little thing, but like it's huge. Oh, the dog is like running up there. I think it's from that house because it has a small like little thing, but like it's huge. Dude, it's like black. It's scary. Do you see it?
Have trust.
Dude, it's freaking, that thing is huge.
Okay, I need to like get better at vlogging.
Same.
Like this.
Yeah, so on the way to school, I'm cold, I'm sick. My nose is still red. My hand is freezing and it's falling off, and I just see someone I don't want to see, and I'm just dying a hole. And just kill myself and hear you vlog for me. You take over my vlog again.
Can you hold my stuff? I still need to freaking study.
Dude.
I didn't study.
Okay, just take over the
Well,
vlog.
I studied.
It's kind of on.
Oh.
You have the camera upside down for me.
It's like, okay, I'm taking over Crystal's vlog now. You better cut some parts out, okay?
Okay.
It's like, I feel stupid now. Okay, well, I did study. I just like need to study more, so I actually like fast test because like I'm not good with tests. Okay, anywho,
I think he's gonna let us use the study guide. I'm not sure.
he is?
I think that's what people were saying, but I'm not sure. I think that only maybe for the other classes.
I don't know. I feel awkward like this because like there's cars
Hey,
everywhere.
can you go with me to talk to him?
Yeah. There's someone will actually go. Wait, did you go on Tuesday?
What do you mean?
To Mr. Bars.
I went on Wednesday, but I asked him when we were working on the project. I
Wait,
mean, not on Wednesday. Yeah, it was
Tuesday.
yesterday, Tuesday. That was when I asked him. So I didn't really miss anything. Plus, someone told me the questions.
Okay. Okay, so what do we do on Crystal's vlog takeover? Because like, oh, you didn't add my takeover from the last time.
I know.
I was disappointed.
Okay, I'll add in this one.
Okay.
You just exposed me to everyone.
Yeah,
Now they know that you took over my vlog, and I didn't add you in. God damn it. Okay.
Good morning.
Just don't miss August. Just August. Alden, why are you? That's such an ugly angle of you. Ew, not me. What you said? And you're like, really?
Just cut them.
I'm taking your phone now. Bye.
No, give me back my phone. And my study guide.
Okay, I'm gonna take over your vlog. I can't.
I do not look like me in the morning. This is a weird takeover and it's really boring. I'm sorry.
I know it is because you're boring. I'm just kidding.
I know,
So,
I am.
hi guys. Hi little office, little subscribe squad, whatever she calls you. If she calls you
I'm
anything,
sick.
I don't know.
I don't call them anything because I don't have a
Hi
name.
subscribers of all them. And this is a takeover, and I'm sick, so I'm happy.
We're both doing takeovers. I feel sick now.
Hello.
Thanks a lot,
You
Crystal.
should go check out my vlog. And
I'm
then
not
you can-
posting mine until Saturday.
Okay, you can go check out my vlog. Wait,
Like,
why
that's
is
in
it
the-
Saturday? Are you gonna do like?
I record like the whole week and like
Oh, that's good. That's good. That's good.
I don't want to like edit every
I
single
have
little
that
thing.
sun.
Plus, I don't have, like-
fun thingy. It's me.
Plus, I feel like I never have enough footage.
Same. Like you see, like that prank was only like 3 minutes. No,
That's why I'm making it like a whole week. Okay, can I let you finish like taking over?
I'm just kidding.
Right now.
She pranked me with black water and Coke.
Good morning.
I took over
Okay,
the
here.
and I exposed Excel on there too. Hi, Omar. Welcome to my vlog.
What?
Welcome to my blue.
Blue?
My blue.
Charles, you're so retarded, dude. Ow.
Hey Valerie, what's the pizza party for?
No idea.
Oh my god.
I know. I'm gonna go up here and vlog. For YouTube, and I need a good angle. Ooh, hey. I'm gonna give a headache with this. Wait, do you know what the pizza party's for?
Today?
Mm-hmm. You don't know what it's for?
Do you? No. Who's having a pizza party?
So sit here.
There we go.
My phone case glitters hollow, by the way.
I know, I see it.
Wait, oh, yeah.
You got it. You want to be a pop star for
Actually, all of them. Someone like that. Jacob, sorry. Oh, that was close.
Wake up at like 6 on Saturday morning and then get ready and then go to the high school. Lacey. I don't know. He's not gonna be able to go. Because I'm not even be able to go either because I'm not even gonna be in the country.
I guess the wiener.
You want me to stop recording?
No, they're resetting up. Do time lapse right now. They're resetting up again.